So scientists at UCSF have uncovered this protein called FTL1 that seems to be a game changer for brain aging. They found that in
Yeah,
mice,
that's wild,
too much
right?
FTL1 was linked to memory loss and even less connectivity in the hippocampus.
Right. And the hippocampus, that's our center for learning and memory. It's pretty much the brain's command center for keeping things together.
Exactly. And what's really fascinating is that by lowering FTL1 levels in old mice, the animals magically regained more youthful brain functions. They had
Exactly.
more synaptic connections, and their memory tests improved noticeably.
Wait, so is it like they're literally turning back the clock on aging or just putting on a temporary band-aid?
It's not just a band-aid, it's more like reversing the impairments, almost as if you could rewind the brain's timeline.
Right.
They even noticed that in petri dish studies, nerve cells with high levels of FTL1 grew simplistic one-armed neurites, rather than the complex branching ones typical of healthy cells.
That almost sounds like a computer running outdated software versus the latest update. But, I wonder if there might be any side effects from inhibiting such a protein in the long run.
That's a good point. The researchers did see that FTL1 not only affected structure, but also slowed down cellular metabolism in the hippocampus. So by targeting it, they might be kickstarting both connectivity and overall cell performance. It
That's
does open a
intriguing.
door to thinking about reversing cognitive decline, not merely delaying it.
Right, but I'd challenge one thing. If FTL1 is so central, might blocking it completely lead to unintended consequences elsewhere in the brain or body?
Fair criticism. The study, however, is pretty focused, showing that in these controlled experiments with mice, adjusting FTL1 levels brought back a youthful state without major reported side effects. But we have to
Yeah, that's what
remember,
they hinted at.
translation to humans may need more nuanced work.
Exactly. It's a promising step. Imagine if targeting a single protein could spark a cascade of interventions to keep our brains sharp as we age.
And that, in a way, might be like upgrading the entire operating system of the brain. It's exciting to think of potential therapies that don't just slow down aging, but actually reverse some of it.
Indeed, that's really
One day
promising.
we might see treatments that restore cognition rather than just stave off decline.
And with this research being funded by a mix of foundations and national institutes, it shows there's serious backing behind these kinds of innovative ideas.
Absolutely. It's a hopeful time for aging research, especially when looking at how a single protein can be the master switch for brain aging.
Yeah,
We
it's a
just
whole
have
new
to see
ballgame
how it
for
evolves and
neurotherapeutics.
translates to human studies.
Yep, and it'll be interesting to follow further developments. The potential to actually reverse cognitive decline could redefine how we age.
Exactly. It's like stepping into the future of medicine, turning back the biological clock on our brains.
Really something to keep an eye on.